My name is Amado Cruz, and you might be asking yourself, can ChatGPT search the internet? The answer is yes, and the capabilities have significantly improved since 2024. ChatGPT now has robust internet search functionality that's available to all users, not just premium subscribers. As of December 2024, ChatGPT search is available to all logged-in users in regions where ChatGPT is available. This feature allows ChatGPT to search the web much more effectively than previous versions, providing timely answers with links to relevant sources. Now, the key advantage is that ChatGPT will automatically decide when to search the web based on what you ask, specifically for time-sensitive queries like sports scores, news, stock quotes, and weather. Or you can manually trigger a search by clicking on the web search icon. This is much more convenient than the previous approach. The good news is this feature is available to both free and paid users, and it works automatically behind the scenes. So when you ask GPT a question, it automatically decides, should I search the internet to answer this question effectively? You don't have to do anything else, so there's no extra steps required. However, you can also instruct ChatGPT explicitly by clicking the web search icon. And actually, that's something I still like to do. Make sure ChatGPT has the most up-to-date information for my query. What I want to do is illustrate the difference between no internet access and internet access so you can see very clearly the difference in the quality of answers. Let's use the same example from before about asking who is Amado Cruz. Without explicitly requesting a web search, ChatGPT might still recognize this as a query that would benefit from current information and automatically search your web. This automatic detection is a huge improvement from earlier versions where you had to explicitly request a search every time. The other major improvement is now ChatGPT maintains context through conversations. You can ask follow-up questions and ChatGPT will consider the full context of your chat to provide better answers. It's a much more natural interaction than before. Let's look at another example from before. What is Apple Intelligence? In 2024, ChatGPT might have given you a general description of Apple's AI initiatives, but now it can provide specific, up-to-date information about Apple Intelligence features in iOS 18 and beyond, automatically searching the web for the most current information. One of my favorite features of the new search capability is that it provides links to sources such as new articles and blog posts, giving you a way to learn more about the information provided. There's a sources button below each response that opens a sidebar with all the references. So again, compare this answer, which automatically searched the internet in real time, compared to the previous approach where you had to explicitly request a search and often got outdated information. If you knew nothing about a current topic and went to ChatGPT, you'd now get accurate, up-to-date information by default. So remember, with the current version of ChatGPT, you no longer need to add remember to search the internet for up-to-date information to your prompts. It does this automatically when appropriate, and the quality of the answers for recent topics is dramatically improved. The main thing to be aware of is that when ChatGPT is searching the internet, you'll notice links to sources in its responses. If you don't see those links, then ChatGPT is using its knowledge up to its knowledge cutoff date for a particular model. So you can see how the automatic real-time internet access makes a huge difference in the quality of answers you get, especially when your queries are referring to things that are more recent and beyond the date of the model's knowledge cutoff. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI content. Again, my name is Amado Cruz. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.